Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can sign in into the online banking account of Ali Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for ali.com and press enter. At the official webpage of Ali Bank, you can see the login option on top right of the screen. You click on login. First of all, you need to choose account type by clicking on the drop down menu. Go in for providing the username in the empty text field of the username. Now you go in for providing the password. After you provide both the details, that is your username and password, you simply click on login where you will get directly logged in into your online banking account of Ali Bank. Just in case if you forgot your password or username for the online banking of the Ali Bank, you need to click on the link given below, that is forgot username or password. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to another page where you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. You will be able to have your ID or password. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can get logged in into the online banking account of Ali Bank. Thank you.